This is a system of linear inequalities that we're going to graph. Find the constraints, vertices, and then substitute it into our profit equation. So the first constraint brings that to a positive x, and the second constraint brings it to a positive y. So that brings that to that first quadrant. We do need to convert the second two inequalities either to slope-intercept form or find the x-intercepts and y-intercepts. So I'm going to start with this one right here. I'm going to change that to an equation. And I'm going to find the x-intercept first. So I'm going to let y equal 0 and solve for x. So the y cancels out. We divide both sides by 2.5, and we get the x to be 8. So that ordered pair is over 8 up 0. Then we find the y-intercept. We let x equal 0. So the x term cancels out. We solve it for y by dividing both sides by 5. And we get 4. So that ordered pair is 0, 4. So let's go ahead and graph that line. So I'm going to make this 2 units, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. So x-intercept of 8, 0, y-intercept of 0, 4. Straight line. When we solve this linear inequality, it'll be a y less than or equal to. So when we shade it, it's going to be below that blue line. Now we do the same thing for the second inequality. We want to either convert it to slope-intercept form or find the x and y-intercept. So we have 3x plus 2y equals 12. To find the x-intercept, we let y equal 0 and solve for x. So we get 4, 0. To find the y-intercept, we let x equal 0. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify and we get 6. So the ordered pair will be 0, 6. And then we connect the 2 points. This also, when we convert it to slope-intercept form, will be y less than or equal to 0. So now we shade below that red line, and then we find our feasible region. And then we find our vertices next. So our vertices are 0, 0, 4, 0. They intersect those two lines at 2, 3, and then 0, 4. After that, we want to maximize our profit. So we're going to go ahead and evaluate the objective function. So 0, 0. When we substitute in for x and y, zero profit. Substitute 0, 4. 25 times 0, 30 times 4. And we get 120. 2, 3. 25 times 2, 30 times 3. Simplifies to 140. 4, 0. And we get 100. So the maximum is right here at 140.